Peace, serenity, and lavender. Indulge yourself as you create these relaxing lavender-filled eye pillows and add a bit of self-care to your sewing routine. Calming botanicals in relaxing shades of peach, cream, and blushing pinks take center stage in this quick and fun sewing project. Featuring beautiful botanical prints from Roots of Nature by Bonnie Christine, Willow by Sharon Holland, and All Is Well by AGF Studio. Here's what you'll need to get started. A ruler and a mat, lavender, scissors, a turning tool, a Hera Marker or other marking pen, a Rotary Cutter, pins, Fusible Interfacing, 2 rectangles of 4.5 inch by 8.5 inch in various prints. To create the lavender eye pillows, we'll start by cutting out 2 rectangles that are 4.5 inches by 8.5 inches. Apply Fusible Interfacing to the wrong sides that is cut slightly smaller than your fabric and press to secure. Next, we'll quilt the rectangles with simple running lines or any other design you love. Press in a 1/2 inch seam allowance on one short end. Now we'll pin our rectangles, right sides together, and stitch around the perimeter, leaving the pressed short end open for turning later. Fill with lavender, about 3/4 full. Now pin the side seam closed and stitch in place. And your lavender-filled eye pillow is complete. Time to sit back and relax as you breathe in the sweet aroma of lavender. We hope you enjoyed this fresh and fun tutorial, and until next time, happy sewing.